Good morning students. Once again welcome back to computer science class. Today here I am going to explain you about a new topic called escape sequences. Okay, so what are the escape sequences and what is the use of escape sequences in C programming and how to use that escape sequences in C programming I will explain today. Okay, so what are the escape sequences? So escape sequences are, means it refers to a combination of, it is a combination of backslash and a character. Okay, backslash and a character means escape sequences. It is a combination of two things. One is a backslash and the second one is a character. 100% two you will get, not one and not means if you want to use a backslash character, then backslash character there should be a one backslash and one character. That is called as a escape sequence. Okay, so escape sequence is a combination of two components, two things. One is backslash and the second one is a character. And these characters are special characters. These characters are special characters and they are non-printable characters. Means if you can write this in a C programming, but that characters are not printed on the output screen. So that is why whatever characters you are using in escape sequences, that characters are called as the non-printable characters. Then what is the use of this? Actually this escape sequences provides a communication to the output screen or to the printer. Okay, by sending a special symbols for a particular action, like a question mark, like a new line characters. Okay, so what is the use of the escape sequences? Escape sequences provides a communication. Okay, communication to the output screen. And it will provide a communication between your program and the output screen or any printing device. Okay, by sending a special symbols which gives information about a particular action, like a question mark, a new line, tab, and which are used to control the output. Means the way by default whatever outputs you will print from a C programming, that will be printed in a single line. Okay, but if you want to control the format of output screen, means how to print an output, then here we will use the escape sequences. Okay, so C program supports different types of escape sequences. That I'll give you the list of escape sequences and you can expect this question in short only. Now I'll give you the table. You draw the table, whatever escape sequences I have given. You write all the escape sequence characters out of some 7 and 8 characters. Here I'll give you the programming for 4 and 5. Okay. Now I'll give you the table. Here you have a table. Escape sequence is a character and it is a meaning. You write all this. In more 2 escape sequences you have. Okay, first you take screenshot of this. I'll give you the 2 also. More 2. Here backslash n for a new line. Okay, means if you want to display the next line, again in the programming I will explain. Just a time being you write you take screenshot of this. Okay, and the next term for this backslash, this is for a backslash. Next V for a vertical tab, and this for 0 it is for a null. So these are the escape sequences. Okay, now I'll explain each and every escape sequence. You take screenshot of this. How many escape sequences are given? New line, horizontal tab, backspace, carriage return, and a single quotes, double quote, question mark, backslash, and vertical tab. Okay, now we'll discuss about each and every escape sequence character. So each and every escape sequence character starts with a backslash and one special character. Okay, So here now we'll discuss about the first one is backslash n. Okay, backslash n. It is what is the meaning of this escape sequence character? New line. Okay, so what is the use of this backslash character is whatever string or whatever value is followed by this is displayed in the next line. Okay, so what is the use of this is which skips the cursor to the next line. Okay, so whatever string, whatever value, whatever character is there after this backslash character, that will be displayed in the next line. Okay, means which skips the cursor to the next line. Okay, so here I'll give you an example. So whenever you write a C programming, like you have a main function, void main, printf, example A. So what is output of this is output A you will get. Okay, next after this I am giving like this, printf B. So immediately what happened after this A, B is printed. Okay, so if you are not using a escape sequence characters, using a new line and all, whatever output you are giving, all the outputs are printed in the single line. But if you want to separate the output, if you want to print the output in the next line, then what we do is we add escape sequence character in the output statements. Okay, so here, see, it is the output statement. I am giving backslash n. Okay, what it is, new line. Whatever string or character is there after this new line, that will be displayed in the next line. So here I am giving a P. Then what happened? Whatever character is following this, that will be printed in the next line. That is a new line. Okay, you write this for each and every escape sequence. You write to produce one example or two examples. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the next escape sequence character, that is backslash T. Here T stands for the tab. Means whatever character or whatever string is followed by this, that is printed after 8 character space. Okay, so same example we'll take. Printf A I have given. Next printf B. So as usual A, B you will get like this. But if you want to give if you want to give output like this, after A I want to give 8 character space, then I want to print a B. Okay, so then what happened here, we'll add backslash T and B. Then what happened, whatever text is there which is following this backslash T, that is printed after 8 character space, that is tabular space. Okay, here it is. Now the next escape sequence is backspace. Okay, so what is the use of this escape sequence is it moves the cursor position to one position back. See example, here you have printf like this. Printf excuse me, hello is there. So when you print this, how it will be displayed? Normally, generally, like this it will be displayed, and your cursor position will be here. So when you use this like this, printf B hello, then where is your cursor position is? So here actually instead of starting, we'll use at last because it should move one backspace. No? Hello B. So what if you give before this, actually there is no character, no? So you won't get any difference. So that is why I am adding this backslash B escape sequence character after the string. So what happened when you execute this, your cursor position will be here. Okay, means it will move cursor position to one character back. That is called as a backspace. Understood? This is a one escape sequence. Now, you take screenshot of this and let's see you write down. Now the next one is R, backslash R, carriage return. Actually, what is the use of this escape sequences? It will move the cursor position. Actually, generally where you get the cursor position at the end of the line. But if you are applying this backslash R escape sequence, then what happened? Cursor position moves to the first character, first position of the line, instead of the ending where cursor will move at the beginning of the position. So that is the use of this R. So again, you write example, printf, hello world example, hello world, and I am giving backslash R. Then what happened? When you print this output, hello. So instead of the ending where you will get the cursor position at H. That is the difference. Okay. So generally when you execute the output statement, always the cursor position will be at the end of the line. So if you want to move the cursor position to the beginning of the line, then we'll apply this escape sequence backslash R. Okay. Write this. The next one is we'll write single quotes and double quotes. Backslash single quotes and backslash double quotes. See, I am writing an output statement like this. Print that in double quotes. Hello world. So generally when you print this, how you will get output like this? Output is hello world. Like this you get. Okay. So simply I don't want to print. I want to print means like this. Single quotes I want to add. Then this single quote is nothing but the backslash character. Then how will you give? In the output statement only will change. Printf. You give this next backslash character single quote. Hello world. Hello world. Next I am giving single quote, double quotes and close this. Okay. So if you want to give a single quotes for the text like this. Hello world. So similarly, if you want to give double quotes, then same as it is will write printf double quotes. It is whenever you are writing a text, this is whenever you are printing a message on the output screen. If it is a string, then that should be enclosed in a double quotes. In the last class only I have explained the printf. Printf, if you are printing a string, that string should be in double quotes. Okay, but here I am giving a double quotes for a string like this. Then backslash hello world like this. Okay. So what happened? The text is enclosed between a double quotes. Okay. You write down this. Take screenshot of that. You take a screenshot. Next backslash V is there. Backslash V. Here V stands for vertical space. Vertical space, or it is called as it is a vertical tab. Previously I have explained the backslash T. T for a horizontal like this, A, B. Okay, so this is for a horizontal tab. But if you want to give a vertical space, then we'll use a backslash V. Okay, means you will get a space between lines, not between characters. Understood? That is a vertical space. And horizontal means you will get a space, and it may be a vertical or a horizontal. You will get 8 character space you will get. Understood? Next, one more escape sequence is there. That is, actually this is called as a addable escape sequence. Okay. Escape sequence. What is this addable escape sequence is? Whenever a character is printed on the output screen, it will give a beep sound. Okay. But here, if you want to use this escape sequence, once you have to check speakers are attached to your system or not. If speakers are attached to your system, you can see that output. Means whenever any character is printed on the output screen, it will give a beep sound. Okay. And how we'll write this is here, like this. Printf. All the escape sequences will add inside the output statement only. Hello world backslash. What is the escape sequence character here? A. Then whenever hello world is printed, after printing hello world, it will give a beep sound. Okay. And next escape sequence is null. Okay. And what is this null? Null. 0. So if you want to print a null character like this, 0, A, B, C, then this is called as an escape sequence. In such cases, you can give like this, printf. And here, always we used to add this escape sequences in output only like this. Whatever escape sequence is there, that you give, and you give the message and close it. This is the escape sequence. The next one. Here, before the text, if you want to add any backslash, then we'll use a backslash escape sequence. Okay. Next, here we have one more escape sequence, backslash question mark. So again, if you want to add a question mark like this, hello, before the text, if you want to add the question mark, again printf, double quotes, backslash, question mark, whatever string you want to print, you give. That's it. So before the text, you will get a question mark. Okay. So here we have a number of escape sequences, and for each and every sequence there is a specific purpose. Okay. So but this maximum escape sequences, maximum new line characters you can use in scanf function also. We use this escape sequences in a output only, because it is used to provide a communication between your program and output screen. Okay, by sending some different types of symbols. Okay, which controls the printing format, output printing format. Okay, so in C programming, maximum number of times the most frequently used escape sequence is a \n, which is used to print which skips the cursor position to the next line. Means whatever text is followed by the \n, that will be printed in a next line. Okay. So escape sequences, mainly what it will what purpose will use this? These escape sequences are used to control the output screen. Means output means how you want to print. If you don't want to follow the general format, common format. If you want to print output in a different way, then we'll go to the escape sequences. Okay. So C program supports different types of escape sequences. \n for a new line, and \t for a tabular space, and \v for a vertical space, question mark to add the question mark to the text, and \0 is there to print a null character. And if you want to add a single quotes also, you can add single quotes. If you want to add a double quotes also, you can add. Okay. So one thing is these are the non-printable characters. Okay, and these are called as a special character, and each and every character should have \. Okay, escape sequences. There are only one \/ character one backslash and one special character is added before the output string or after the output string. Okay, so in order to change the output format. Okay, and this is about escape sequence in a C programming. So our next topic is control statements. Okay, in the next class we'll discuss about control statements, what are the control statement and what is the use of the control statement. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, and one point I want to tell you, escape sequence you will get exam in a short answer type only. So for each and every escape sequence, if you'll give a example like one output statement, okay, in the one printf statement you add a escape sequence, then you can score maximum marks. Okay, this is about escape sequence.